was the reaction for like top 15 mistakes in locked up in Malaysia's lockdown. So there are some points which I agree with him, and there are some, I think only 1 or 2 points where I don't. It's all about the, I think the like children being locked up. I think it's not that the case, because we don't really get the footage of it or something like that, and I've also seen the original video. So yeah, it's not really like highlighted so much, and you don't have like correct evidence for that. But every coin has two sides, right? So even if Malaysia is a success story, there might be some flaws here and there, and which is totally okay. It should be normalized. If people are getting like sit under the sun, it's not really a bad thing, because they are ill migrants, and government need to know where are and how are they spreading COVID-19 if they are. So it's like a really good precaution which is government taking it. And if a media is like for just TRPs and ratings, it kind of like highlighting it so badly, that's really bad. And the second point would be like, yeah, child's been handcuffed. That is not really a good idea, because they are really innocent people. If you like give them a separate line or room, they would be, it's really hard to handle children, I know that, but at the same time they are really innocent beings. So handcuff is not a really good thing, because most of the time we like associate word handcuff with negativity. So it's not a good thing to be handcuffed. So it like seems like these people like did something very wrong, which is not good. So that point, I think if it's happening, it should be stopped. And yeah, I was really angry at the illegal migrants for Indians, because I know many Malaysians are from the Indian origin, and like he said, it's 7% of the whole Malaysian population, which is very much, like so much, and they are like highlighting that they are racist, because I know Malaysia is one of the country where you get really a good treatment for every different culture there. So by like taking us people there for highlighting racism, even if it's not happening fully, there might be 1 or 2 people, but not the whole like country is going on you. So it's not really a good thing to highlight any race to be like for this cause. And like I mean, it can get people really angry, Malaysian people angry, if they are not doing it, but they are suddenly showcasing that they are getting racism. Like how, why, like though they might even think that Indian people are doing that. So it's not really good thing to be like that. So yeah, that's it for my reaction. Hey guys, if you love my reaction, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want me to react to any other video, please link it down in the comments. I love you guys. Was like that. I was really impressed by that. Even if it's this video is denying that video, but it doesn't really make that video was wrong. It was just that as time goes on, difficulties increase. So it's really hard to cope up with all the difficulties for a government at the same time. So it is like natural to have a lot of mistakes, and it's just 15 mistakes. Well done for that. I mean, in our country it would be more than 20-25 mistakes. So it doesn't really matter how many mistakes you make. In the end, you all have to do is overcome it. So it doesn't really matter.